Today, let's do a full face of Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Grabe guys, nawalan ng battery yung ginagamit kong remote for my camera. So, kailangan ko pang tumayo para lang i-start yung recording. So, I have to remind myself na bumili ng battery. Kaya sinasabi ko na ngayon sa camera kasi baka makalimutan ko. And for this video's giveaway, one of you will win all of these face card inserts from Get Ready With Me. Anyway, ayun nga, today we are doing full face of Get Ready With Me and I am super excited because tagal ko nang gustong gawin to. Gagawin ko na dapat siya noong nakaraan, kaya lang for some reason parang na-overwhelm ako dun sa amount of product na nirelease nila nung nakaraan. But it's not a bad thing naman kasi diba, sobrang daming options. This one by the way is yung SPF BFF ng Get Ready With Me. So ayun nga, ang dami. Super excited ako nung na-receive ko yung PR, but na-overwhelm ako. Although na-try ko naman na yung iba. So today is the day na finally masusubukan na natin. Hindi rin ako nagkilay guys ha, para talagang ano tayo, full face. Yan, just gonna use this to moisturize my face. Actually, paubos na to eh. Naubos ko na lang siya and I'm definitely going to repurchase kasi maganda siya. By the way, in case hindi nyo pa nanonotice, every video ko ngayon I think will be having a giveaway na kasi, I don't know, I just don't want to keep my makeup na hindi nagagamit kasi sayang. But I think sa mga future videos, hindi ko na i-announce. Sa mismong video na lang. So you have to stay tuned talaga para malaman nyo. Look how dewy the sunscreen is. Sobrang supple niya sa skin. SPF 50 PA Quadruple Plus nga pala to in case you guys are wondering. I'm gonna clean my fingers first. Dalawa yung primer na meron ng Get Ready With Me. The other one is yung parang gripping primer nila and this one, yung blurring. And mas prefer ko that one. This one is also nice kasi blurring and mattifying talaga siya. Again, mas prefer ko yung isa nilang primer so I'm just gonna skip primer and next product na tayo. Ito yung next product natin gagamitin guys. This one is the On The Glow Skin Booster Multi-Use Skin Illuminator. And this one is in the shade Polaris or Polaris. Actually maganda to guys. If you're looking for something na talagang sobrang radiant sa skin, this is nice. And I just use my fingers to blend the product. But you can use a sponge as well, a brush. And I like this kasi kapag ka nagtagal na yung makeup ko, yung base ko, nagpipicture yung glow niya and it looks really, really nice. So ayan, lagay ko lang siya sa mga area na gusto kong mag-glow. Look at that glow, di ba? Ang ganda. Super fine. Nung shimmer na meron dito or nung glow na binibigay niya, hindi siya gritty kaya it looks really good. Hindi ako sanay na walang kilay bago mag-start mag-makeup video, so magkilay na tayo. And ito yung gagamitin ko, Brow Lift Max. I don't do laminated brows na guys. Gusto ko yung feathery and soft, so just really doing this to hold the brows in shape. Yung ayaw ko lang dito sa product na to is yung amount of product na lumalabas. Medyo madami. But the formula is really nice kasi na-hold niya talaga yung brows, makapit siya, and it lasts. Anyway, moving on, to line my brows, I'm using the Get Ready With Me Brow Pen Pro in the shade Taupe. Hopefully, okay lang yung angle ko. But yeah, I'm just doing hair-like strokes just to add more definition sa brow and shape. Although you have to be careful. Dapat light-handed kayo with this one kasi pigmented siya. So you definitely need to practice. Pero ang ganda na effect niya talaga sa kilay in fair. Look at the difference ng with and without. This one sobrang full, sobrang feathered, and just fluffy tignan ng brows. Brows are done. Ito yung foundation na gagamitin natin. This is the Radiant Skin Luminous Foundation. I don't have a perfect match dito guys, but dalawa yung shade na close sa skin ko. Si Bisque tsaka si Buff. Swatch ko para meron kayong idea. This one is Buff and this one is Bisque. And I'm going to be using the shade Buff. Lagay ko lang dito sa palette para mas hygienic. And yung brush na gagamitin ko is from Get Ready With Me. Ito yung kanilang G04 Angled Base Brush. Actually, ang gaganda ng brush ng Get Ready With Me, guys. So, kung di nyo pa nasusubukan, get some brushes, i-test nyo. Ang ganda. Then, I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Medyo matagal na yung last time na ginamit ko tong foundation na to, guys. But one of my faves, especially sa local brands, kasi ang ganda ng finish niya sa skin. A bit light lang yung kulay niya sa aking skin, so you guys can see. Pero ito kasi yung malapit sa neck ko. And again, iba yung kulay ng face ko sa neck. And also, mabilis naman gawa ng paraan to guys. Kuha lang kayo ng bronzer to warm up the color. And that's it. And then, I'm just gonna go sa aking favorite na puff. Tapos, i-blend ko pa siya further. Just to remove the excess product and para talagang lapat na lapat siya sa skin. Yung foundation. I don't really need a lot of coverage sa forehead. I just need to even out my color dito. Look how nice this foundation is, di ba? Ang OA ng init ngayon. So, sorry again if yung aircon medyo malakas. Coverage of this foundation is medium, by the way, but very buildable. As you can see, even if light application, sheer application, just to, even out your color, ang ganda ng itsura niya sa skin. I usually stay away sa mga ganitong finish ng foundation because I feel like may tendency magmukhang dugyot, especially if you have oily skin. But this one, okay naman siya sa akin. So, meron din ako nitong multi-use complexion cream ng Get Ready With Me. Hindi ko pa ito natatry. I want to try it, so tignan natin. I have 2 shades dito na feeling kong okay for me. So, let's see. This is the shade Saffron. I think mukha lang siyang dark kasi usually ganoon naman sa mga cream. Ayan o, kapag ka nirub nyo ng finger, diba, naglilighten yung kulay niya. This one is Saffron. Ayan siya. And then, the next one is Chiffon. This is Chiffon. Guys, this one pwede nyo siyang gamitin alone as it is. Pwede nyo siyang pang under eye. So basically, multi-use talaga siya. Anywhere, pwede nyo ilagay. Parang extra layer of coverage ko siya. So, ayan. I'm gonna put it sa area na gusto kong lagyan pa ng more coverage. But of course, this is optional, guys. I just wanna try the product. Texture nga pala niya is very creamy. Not naman emollient. So, hindi siya yung oily sa feel. This is definitely a more dense type of cream product. For first impressions, okay siya. Maganda yung coverage niya and feeling sa skin. But of course, I need to give it a wear test muna before my full thoughts. But for first impressions, maganda siya sa skin. Although, I have to say medyo nagkikling sa dry patches to. Which is, typical naman sa mga cream products. So, keep that in mind. To warm up my face, ito yung gagamitin natin. One of my favorites from Get Ready With Me. Ito yung Glam & Go stick nila and yung shade na gamit ko dito is Creme Brulee. Ang ganda nito sa face. Although, ang bilis niya nga lang matunaw. Especially kapag mainit. So, I suggest na kung gagamitin nyo siya, super duper konting twist lang talaga. Kasi, mabilis tong mapuputol and konting init lang. Medyo messy siya. But the formula is so good. Again, this is the shade Creme Brulee and just look at the color. If you have light, fair skin tone, ito yung isa sa mga shade ng bronzer na marirecommend ko. Gives just the right amount of color. Or kaya para din safe, you can just use your brush, idab nyo siya. Tapos, tsaka nyo siya i-apply sa face. Super creamy, easy to blend. Ang ganda niya sa skin, guys. Actually, even on top of powder, na-try ko na to and it works. Glam & Go stick again for my contour. Actually, for products yung meron sila dito, they have yung bronzer, etong contour, highlighter, and blush. Look at that, diba? Konting rub lang, ang bilis niya matunaw. Just gonna use a tiny brush to contour my nose just to add some shadow. And para ma-define yung ating nose. This is literally one of the easiest cream products to blend, I swear. Look at that, diba? Color is also nice. This one is in the shade Affogato. It's the perfect contour shade, in my opinion, for my skin tone. It doesn't look muddy, hindi siya super gray. Ang ganda, sobrang natural lang ng shadow na binibigay niya. Instant nose lift. Diba? Kabog. New brush, this one is the G03 Master Blender. Same contour and maglalagay lang ako ng konti dito sa aking cheekbone. Pero konti lang kasi bihira na ako mag-contour sa cheeks, guys. Sa nose na lang talaga ako nagko-contour. And also dito sa jaw area. For concealer, I'm using this one, guys. Radiance Tint in the shade Sand. Just to highlight the under eye. This is one of my faves as well. It's thin but brightening. I don't use this for spot concealing, guys, for brightening lang. Kasi I prefer yung talagang full coverage for my spot concealing. For highlighting, ayan, for brightening my under eye, this is one of those colors na gusto ko and talagang madalas gamitin. I mean, just look how easy it is to blend. Seconds lang, guys. Very natural finish. So, on days na gusto nyo lang ng very subtle brightening, this is one of those concealers that you might want to try. Easy as that. Blended na kagad siya. Diba? Tsaka ang ganda niya sa under eye kasi since manipis yung kanyang consistency, hindi siya cakey and hindi siya yung parang, alam mo yun, alam mo talagang may product. Simple pero rock. Charot. Diba? Saktong-sakto lang yung brightening effect niya. So, next natin is powder. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang hair ko, mga be. Nawala na yung lip product ko sa lips. So, apply tayo nitong Lip Max in the shade Slush. Ang ganda nito, guys. Look at that. Diba? Sobrang juicy and plump ng lips with this one. This is a lip balm, by the way, but in a liquid form. And I like it. Ganda. To set my face, I'm using the Get Ready With Me Powder Rush Loose Baking and Setting Powder. Tama. Oh my God, ang haba nun, pero kabisado ko ha. In the shade Cream Puff. Grabe tong powder na to, guys. I have been using this for so long, but up until now, hindi pa rin siya ubos kahit madalas kong gamitin. So, super sulit. By the way, ang lalagyan ko nga lang pala muna is yung under eye ko. So, magbe-bake lang ako. A bit yellow lang to for me, guys. But, I can make it work naman later. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko binabrighten yung under eye pa. Another favorite powder of mine from Get Ready With Me. Ito yung kanilang Powder Rush Pressed Powder. Velvet setting and finishing siya. I use the shade Shell. And ang ginagawa ko dito, guys, is after ko maglagay nun, ayan, pinapatungan ko siya on top nito. Of course, nasa sa inyo na kung gano'ng kadami or kakonti. I go ham, I go heavy kasi later kapag ka nag-setting spray, mawawala rin yan. So this is just to make sure na talagang mag-set yung aking base. And hindi siya gumalaw. Lagyan ko na rin yung forehead ko ng loose powder kasi nababother ako sa shine. Hindi ako sanay ng shiny yung face ko. Eye makeup muna tayo, guys, and ito yung gagamitin natin, yung individual shadows ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. And since I have all of the shades na meron sila sa eyeshadows, I decided na bumili na lang ng ganitong palette, magnetic palette. But actually, this one maganda siya. If you don't have all of the shades naman, I feel like this is the perfect palette na. Also, baka may mag-ask, I got this sa Amazon from Adept Cosmetics. So, directly ko siya sa Amazon in order. Tapos, 2 weeks lang, dineliver siya and straight na sa bahay. So, super nice. Anyway, these are all of the matte shades. And these are the shimmer shades. Sobrang gaganda. And actually, since I know na gagamitin ko to sa tutorial, ang ginawa ko is sinundan ko yung layout ng mga shades that they have. Sinundan ko yung layout or arrangement na to so that kapag ginamit ko yung eyeshadows, alam ko na yung colors. For transition, gamitin natin si Serenade. And ayan, ilalagay ko lang siya all over my crease. And by the way, hindi ko nga pala first time gagamitin itong eyeshadows nila. May mga shades na ako nasubukan dito and I really love the formula. Super pigmented, blendable, buttery, soft, finely milled, and just really easy to work with. I mean, just look at that, diba? Sobrang hassle-free to use. Medyo powdery lang yung mga matte shades nila. So, kailangan talaga mag-start kayo sa eyes or kaya mag-bake para kapag nahulog yung eyeshadow, mabilis siyang i-dust off. But in terms of performance, I have no complaints. Next shade is Perky. And yung brush na gamit ko is itong GE02 Mini Blending Brush from Get Ready With Me. I'm gonna stamp it first sa outer corner. Look at that pigment. Grabe. Tapos, ibe-blend lang natin siya in circular motion para soft and diffused yung kanyang edges. Tapos, i-drag natin siya papasok dito sa crease para magkaroon ng depth yung area na to. And I also love the individual, so you have the freedom to decide kung anong color story, kung anong layout yung gagawin nyo. But I think meron din sila mga available na set or color stories. So, if you don't want to, think na kung ano yung mga colors na ilalagay nyo, may mga pre-made palettes na sila or sets. Wait lang, lagay lang tayo ng konting powder sa under eye para maano ko yung shape. Grabe, na-miss ko maganito kapag nag-eyeshadow. Very 2016, 2017, diba? Lagay pa ako ng konti ng brown just to wing it out a little bit. Going back sa first color, I'm just going to smoke out this area para mas blown out talaga and sabog yung kulay niya. Hindi ko alam yung proper term. So, ayun na lang. Para mas sabog. Actually, you know what? Wait. Balik tayo sa second color and ayusin ko lang yung dito. Linisin ko lang kasi medyo siya, sloppy. But of course, later ayusin ko pa naman. But para lang meron akong pattern. Ayan. Normally, pagka ganitong part, kinakat ko na. But syempre, since hindi na ako masyadong ngayon, pala-cut sa tutorials. I mean, I don't want to do it na. Eto, papakita ko sa inyo ang tunay na eksena kapag ka nagme-makeup. Kasi feeling ng iba ang bilis. Ay, ganun lang siya. Ganyan-ganyan. Ayan. This one is GE06. And yung shade na kukunin ko is si Secrets, I think. This one. Secrets yung name ng shade. And ilalagay lang natin siya on top of the second color. Just to really add that depth and darkness na gusto ko ma-achieve. As you can see, I'm using a smaller brush kasi kapag gumamit tayo ng mas malaking brush, may tendency mag-mix lang sa other colors. So, just to be safe and really precise, ayan, gamit kayo ng brush na ganitong kaliit kapag ka mga dark colors na. And of course, I suggest as well na mag-start sa little product and then i-build up nyo na lang. Mas mabilis magdagdag, guys, kaysa magbawas ng product. Ayan, balik lang tayo sa blending para mas seamless. Meron ding eyeshadow base ang Get Ready With Me, by the way. 3 shades yung available dito, white, black, and nude. I'm gonna use the shade Black Hole, which is yung black. So, lagay lang tayo sa likod ng kamay. Lobat yung camera ko. Wait! Again, using this black base. This is in the shade Black Hole. Kuha tayo ng small brush. Tapos, gagamitin ko siyang pang cut crease. Ayan. Diba? Usually, whenever I do cut crease, concealer lang gamit ko. But this time, I decided to use a black base kasi feeling ko mas magpa-pop yung color na gagamitin ko. This is so nice, guys. Pigmented, a little goes a long way. And it's tacky, so alam mo talagang merong grip yung gagamitin mong eyeshadow on top. Ito yung shade na gagamitin ko for my lid. It's called Steel. Look how pretty. Brush I'm using is GE05 shader. Just gonna pick up the product using this. Hindi ko nababasain yung brush. Tapos, oh my God. Ayan, itatap ko lang siya sa ibabaw. This is such a nice coat. Ang ganda! Na-swatch ko pa lang ito, pero hindi ko pa nagagamit sa eye. Kaya I'm really, really excited and happy. Wow! That is a nice shade. Ang perfect ng color. Feeling ko kailangan ko lang i-darken pa dito, but later na. Gamitin din natin si Mystique. Same brush, guys, ha? Pero fin lip ko lang. Tapos, ang gagawin ko is ipang transition ko siya from the blue. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng color combination, you guys. You have to try Get Ready With Me's eyeshadows. Especially shimmers. Sobrang ganda, I swear. It feels very premium, finish, as you guys can see. No liquids na ginamit to intensify the color, but sobrang nagpa-pop. Balik lang tayo dun sa dark brown shade called Secrets. Tapos, kakapalan ko pa siya. Feeling ko kasi medyo ano siya eh, mababa for the cut crease na ginawa ko. Okay guys, I need to correct this area kasi hindi ako happy. So, ang gawin natin is, bawasan natin siya. This is just a brush na may konting concealer and, ayan, i-fix ko lang yung side. But of course, hindi to problem ng eyeshadow guys ha. Yung ano lang talaga, placement ko, medyo off. Wala ako ng konti nitong Charlotte Tilbury na powder. Tapos, ayan. Linisin ko lang dito. Gamit din tayo ng eyeshadow topper. This one is the shade Winter. Mukha lang siyang, you know, whatever kapag nakalagay sa pan. But once you apply this, ang ganda niya. Diba? Look at the difference. Para siyang crushed diamonds. So this one is yung transition color natin. And i-apply ko lang siya sa aking lower lash. Just to add some, you know, warmth. Tapos yung dark brown shade to really smoke out the lower lash. Just to balance everything. Of course, same thing here. Yung same parang aquamarine color, ilalagay ko lang din sa lower lash. Sa inner half lang. Ganda niya kasi kaya hindi ko mapigilang hindi gamitin. And then, yung purple. But sa center lang. Basically, parang minimimic lang natin yung ginawa natin sa lid. Meron ding pastels ang Get Ready With Me. So, let's use some of the shade. Pastels and brights, actually. Gamitin natin sa electric. A bright pink. Hindi ko sure kung maganda yung kakalabasan niya, but bahala na si Batman. Lalagay ko lang siya dito sa inner. Do we love it? Do we hate it? I don't know. Ayan, i-stamp ko lang siya. Kunin ko lang tong shade na Molly. Just to, you know, slightly soften everything. And then I'm gonna get the shade Approved. Using the same brush na ginamit ko sa pink. Tapos, ayan, idadab ko lang siya on top. Just to add some sparkle. Liquid liner, ito yung gagamitin ko. This one is the Get Ready With Me Super Fine Liner Duo. And dual-ended siya. Both ends, merong brush tip. Mas manipis sa isang side, sa isa medyo chubby. And ang gagamitin ko is yung medyo thick I honestly feel like I don't need to do a wing now with this one. This is actually a nice liner. Hindi siya nagtatag kapag in-apply. Hindi siya nagsasmudge, long-lasting. So, if you have oily lids, you will love this. But you guys know how I feel about eyeliners. They are all the same. But if you're looking for a new one to try, this one, baka magustuhan nyo. I mean, just look at that. Sobrang effortless niyang gamitin. This glides like butter. So good. Tapos yung kulay niya black na black din. So, ang ganda. I also appreciate na dual-ended siya. If you just want like a baby wing, yung isang end, this one, yung mas manipis, ayan, pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang flick. Tapos if you want to do a bold liner, go with this side, diba? Yung makapal. Black ink nga pala yung shade na ginamit ko, guys, if hindi ko pa na-mention. Black din yung gagamitin kong gel liner. This is the Master Gel Liner Duo. And this one, dual-ended as well. Yung isang side is 1.5 mm. That is this one. Ayan, 1.5. Tapos yung isang side is 3.0 mm. So, thicker siya. Swatch ko na rin sa likod ng kamay para makita natin if magsasmudge or not. Creamy siya. Look at that. Black na black. It's not hard, so mabilis siya i-glide. Ganda ng pagka-black. I like it. But you know, same with mascaras, liquid liners, all that. For me, they are all the same. If they claim to be waterproof, smudge-proof, any brands, in my opinion, they all look the same sa waterline. But I like this one. And again, super smart nung dual-ended siya. So, depende sa gusto nyong style, di ba? That is so good. Smudge test. Ayan. Maglalagay lang ako ng lashes off-cam, guys, ha? And for this video, ito yung gagamitin ko. Polash Air Lash in the style Vanna. Ito yung powder bronzer na gagamitin ko. This one is Get Ready With Me's powder bronzer in the shade Sand Dollar, which is actually my favorite as well dito sa OG. This is discontinued na, guys, but same color lang sila. So, yun, guys. This is no longer available. Kaya, just gonna use this one. And ito yung favorite kong color kasi ang ganda ng pagka-warm niya. If you want that very goddess, sun-kissed type of bronze, she is perfect. Formula is also nice. Very blendable. It's pigmented. Very easy to blend. And ang ganda ng kapit niya sa skin. Hindi siya powdery at all. I mean, just look at the warmth na binigay ng bronzer sa face ko, diba? Ang ganda. Going back with this powder, and I'm just gonna be retouching yung mga areas ng face ko na feeling kong kailangan. This one is yung brightening powder nila. I want to try this kasi mukha siyang interesting na product. Comes in two shades, by the way, purple or lavender and etong pink. And I am gonna be using pink. Kunin ko yung lighter color. I actually don't use brightening powders that much na ganito. So it's just basically a super light blush. To me, ganun yung tingin ko sa ganitong powder. Kasi kapag ka brightening powder, I usually go for something na slightly yellow, peachy, ganun. This is actually nice. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang transition ng blush para meron siyang, you know, light to dark. If that makes sense. It's nice, but honestly, not for me na product. Pinong-pino yung powder. But yeah, hindi lang kasi ito yung step na, you know, ginagawa ko. Usually when I do my makeup, I mean, the product is nice, don't get me wrong. It's just that I don't see myself adding this to my routine. I have another shade. This one is yung purple called Loving Lilac. So, isasama ko na lang to sa giveaway. Wala akong bagong contour powder from Get Ready With Me sa mga bago nila. So, I'm just gonna use this one, guys. Ito. Si Checkmate. This is what I use anyway. And i-define ko lang yung aking nose contour. Ang ganda ng kulay nitong contour na to. See that? Diba? Let's fix this part. Also adding some contour here para magmukha lalong pouty yung lips. Blush is very overwhelming sa Get Ready With Me kasi 7 yung variants na meron sila. First is yung Milk Tint, one of my favorites. Sa Glam & Go Stick meron sila. Meron silang powder blush, satin cream blush, mochi blush, meron din sila ng shimmery blush which is called... Actually, may ano ko dito, cheat sheet. Baked blush. Ayun, meron din sila. Tsaka yung color changing na lip and cheek. It will take forever if I'm gonna be trying them all. So I'm just gonna go with the one that I really want and love the color. This one is yung kanilang powder blush in Summer Alloys. Ito kasi yung feeling kong bagay sa eye makeup ko kasi neutral color siya. So magka-complement sa eye makeup and it's not too much. Medyo powdery yung ano nila guys ha. blush. Wow, this is a nice shade. If I'm not mistaken, meron din silang lipstick na ganito yung name. So probably this is just, yung blush version. Like yung ginawa nila sa Pablo's Latte, di ba? Sa iba-ibang product nila, meron nun. That one is also my favorite. Super blendable nito. A little bit powdery lang, but it's so nice on the skin. It doesn't look powdery at all. This is going to be on my top shelf. Brush I'm using, by the way, is the G05 Cheek Brush. Ang ganda niya for blushes kasi angled, oh. Angled siya. So, kapag pinrest niyo siya sa cheeks, it's perfection. Ang ganda ng shape niya. Ayun, di ba? Pang push ng product. Cream and liquid. Pwede rin dito, aside from powders. Another new product to try. This one is yung Soft Veil Finishing Powder. And I got the shade Juno. Subukan natin. This, I think, is yung parang hourglass na ambient light. Ganun yung vibe niya. Lagay ko lang siya dito. And every time na may bago ako tinatry, actually guys, tinatanggal ko lang yung nilagay ko. Tapos, I'm just gonna use a small brush. Medyo may sheen itong powder na to. Try natin siya sa center ng forehead. Yeah, it gives that parang glow sa skin. Look at this area, diba? Hindi na siya flat tingnan. So, I think this one is great if you want that glowy but not, sobrang makinang na face. For my lips, I'm using the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Lip Contour in the shade For Real. This is a light color, by the way, nude lang. This is just for defining my lips. This is so creamy and ang ganda ng glide sa lips. Also, retractable siya, so mabilis siyang ayusin, i-sharpen kasi may sharpener din sa likod. For lipstick, we're using Summer Eloise. Eloise, diba? Eloise. I'm so sorry, May. But this is yung kakulay ng blush. Meron din itong lip liner, guys, na color. Actually, base ko lang naman to kasi maglalagay ka ng glossy product on top. This is such a nice combo. And ito yung gagamitin ko for my gloss. This is actually a lip balm, Lip Max in the shade Hello Apollo kasi nagamit ko na rin to with just lip liner and other mattes and it works. Dab ko lang siya and just look at that. Ang ganda nito, guys. Pang topper. But actually, even alone you can use this one. May video ako nito sa TikTok ng complete swatches. So, i-check nyo na lang doon. It's hydrating, it's nourishing, super comfy sa lips. Really, really good. One of my holy grails from Get Ready With Me, I think nakakatatlong ganito na ako. At yung Life Proof Fixing Spray ng Get Ready With Me. Tsaka ang ganda kasi ng sprayer niya, super fine. Just gonna go back with my sponge. Ano yan? Ipe-press ko lang yung fixing spray. So, final product na susubukan natin is ito ko na lang baked highlighter. This one is in the shade Hanan, which I think is existing na. So, binago lang talaga nila yung format. Gamitin ko siya sa aking brow bone. Ganito yung itsura ng product, guys. And I like this kasi it's not a chunky type of highlighter. If you guys are familiar doon sa Essence na Pure Nude Highlighter, parang ganun siya. That used to be my favorite. Look, di ba? Ang ganda niya. Pinong-pino siya. No chunks of glitter at all. Just so stunning. Also here, maglalagay ako ng slight. Ganda. Tip ng nose, lagay na rin tayo. And nose bridge. And a little bit sa chin. Anyway, here we have it, guys. This is the finished look. Sobrang dami nating product na sinubukan. So I'm just gonna share with you my top picks. First is itong Get Ready With Me eyeshadows. You have to try them. Very blendable, pigmented, buttery, soft, and ang ganda ng kapit sa lid. Medyo powdery lang to mga matte shades, but other than that, I don't have any issues kasi very blendable nga. Shimmers are amazing, especially yung mga sobrang foiled. Ang ganda sa lid. Tsaka di ba yung idea that you have the freedom to choose kung anong eyeshadows yung pipiliin nyo or i-curate so that talagang gusto nyong shades yung meron kayo is super nice. Ito ding lip max na Get Ready With Me. I absolutely love this. This is one of my go-tos kasi super nourishing and ang ganda ng formula niya for a lip balm. Very versatile as well. Even though advertised siya as a lip balm, you can also use this on top of your lipstick. Glam and Go Stick Bronzer, a must-have. This is super nice. Sobrang perfect niya. Even without makeup, actually, maganda to. And ayun nga, yung downside lang talaga dito is you have to be careful once you twist it. You have to be very gentle and konting-konti lang dapat para hindi siya mag-slip and maputol. This is the shade that I'm using, Creme Brulee. Again, this is really good. Loose Baking and Setting Powder ng Get Ready With Me is one of those products din na hindi mawawala sa collection ko. Sobrang sulit nito, guys. This will last you for a very long time. This contains 20 grams and Okay na okay to guys, pang bake and pang set ng makeup. Get ready with Miss Concealer, maganda rin siya guys. If you want something na light and perfect for everyday and radiant yung finish, hindi siya cakey, hindi dry, you might want to try this one. Shade I'm using is Sand, but once in a while, ginagamit ko rin yung light peach nila. Love the formula of this. Life Proof Fixing Spray is also a product that will always be in my routine. I love this and I will always repurchase this. Malapit na ito maubos, so for sure, kapag ka naubos to, bibili ulit ako. Super fine nung mist, maganda yung distribution ng product, and nakakatulong din siya para hindi mag-move yung makeup. And finally, this one. This is Get Ready With Me's Powder Rush Velvet Setting and Finishing Pressed Powder in the shade Shell. I think this is my second na. Pang retouch, ginagamit ko to kapag ka naka-skin tint lang ako and I just want to set it. Isa rin to sa mga ginagamit ko. Pinong-pino yung powder, velvety yung finish, and may slight blurring siya. Again, meron tayong giveaway sa video na to, and these are the prizes na mapapanalunan ng isa sa inyo. And to join, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and of course, don't forget to include your IG username para mabilis ko kayong makontak. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!